Hi everyone. So I was thinking here on YouTube, I think that I will do a series of different recipes, healthy for your heart, easy to make, low calories, the whole thing. Because it's healthy and yeah, I just thought it would be fun. As you know, I do have a sweet tooth, and I thought that my first recipe would be something healthy, but something on the sweet side. And so I'm going to make that with you. So it is called Healthy Pecan Pie Truffles. First of all, I'm going to go tie my hair because I don't like to cook with my hair long. So I'll be right back. All right, let's tie these hair. Ooh. There we go. So I think this is going to be fun and interesting. And actually, I'm going to have a friend also that's going to join me. She's from Indonesia, and she has awesome recipes that we want to share with you. So the first thing that we're going to need for this recipe are, because we're making pecan pies, truffles, are pecans. Right. We're going to need 2 cups. And once they're in here on my parchment paper, I'm going to put them in the oven for 10 minutes at 350. All right, you ready? I think the pecans are ready, so we're going to put them in the food processor. So once they're in, then we're going to need at least 10 to 12 juicy dates that we're also going to add with our pecans. And we need 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then half a cup of maple syrup. This is going to be so good. And also maple syrup is full of antioxidants. I know it's sweet, but it's a good sweet. Then we're going to need half a tablespoon of hemp seeds. And this actually is going to make it into a little paste. And it's really healthy. So half a cup of that. And our last ingredient is 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And cinnamon is also known to lower sugar or glycemia reading. So also very healthy. So once everything is in, we seal this and we shake it all. And then you just take about this much and you put into your hands. It's gonna be a little bit sticky, but you make little balls like this. And then we just dip them in chocolate, the one that you want. I picked 70% dark chocolate, and I put a little bit of milk in it just to make it more easier to work with. And then to top it all, you take a nice pecan and you put it on the top like this. And once they're all covered in chocolate, then you just need to put them in the freezer for about, I would say, 10 to 15 minutes.
Those are pretty good. It's pretty good.
So now let's try them. This is so really good. You gotta try it.